Shelton.
Yes, and today we're going to do
A vlog.
mini vlog.
Supermarket shopping. Quarantine shopping.
And you can state the channel's name.
My channel is called Real Fishing Kings of Jamaica. You can check us out on YouTube and Instagram and also on Facebook.
That's right, so let's go.
Oh, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget. We're going to make lasagna as well as patty. So we're going to buy the ingredients for such food. Looks spicy. I have a channel for myself. This channel is basically for fame. So yes, my channel name is Arts by Jamaica. We do arts here, a mixture of everything like arts and entertainment. So please go over and subscribe. The link will be in the description below. It's Arts by Jamaica. So yes, where things will go on, we go over there. So we go follow it.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Seabourne Kitchen. My name is Shelton Carr from the group Real Fishing Kings of Jamaica, here with...
As you don't know, Ben. Yeah.
Yeah, so today we have an interesting video for you guys. It's going to be a short video, but it's a competition. So we decided to try and make Jamaican patties, right? Patty, yeah.
Yeah.
Jamaican patty.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I've never made it before.
Well, I made it once in high school, but not a long years ago. So
Yeah, she still have an advantage over me. So. Alright, so you guys just stay tuned, alright?
well, and before we go, comment on the thing I'm going because I know say when a girl can chef up things, right?
And
yeah.
remember to go over to my channel, that's the Real Fishing Kings of Jamaica, and check out my videos. And if you like the content, you can drop a like, share, subscribe.
Yes, and his link will be in the description down below.
Okay.
Alright, so these are all the ingredients I'll be using. So flour, butter, curry, a little bit of sugar, baking powder and salt. So over to Shelton's.
Alright, so these are my ingredients. Flour, baking powder, salt. I'm going to use a little bit of browning and curry and also butter.
It's like tea. Really don't make it.
Alright, so
That's a combine everything.
yeah, so we're not taking any specific measurements. We just put it on the salt.
Guys, I don't know if sugar can use, but may I use sugar.
Why didn't I look over here? I'm not following.
You think I'm going to do?
Just not saying that I love blowing and judge them, so.
Then she go viral.
Alright guys, so I just diced up my seasoning. I want to talk what's in there because it's a secret. I don't want them to magically try and copy what's in here. Alright, so Maggi. So I go in after. I have the beef and I have my seasoning.
Unlike some people, me go talk about me often because of my background, I'm gonna say me go in. Alright, so me have pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, crushed pepper, also basil. Yeah, and then I can use my Maggi all-purpose seasoning, but little salt. Yeah, we're gonna lead. Yeah, so we're pouring the oil in to saute the seasoning.
Alright, I'm just going to use a little bit of oil. Nice.
And a little bit of oil.
A little bit of oil.
Seasoning.
Them say man unheavy, you know, so just a little bit for me.
I'll make a try my seasoning because I don't want to cook so.
So we're not going like a race. They say, who for season going up at first.
We're not race, yeah.
Smell my pot, you smell that?
Alright. Yeah, well, yes, sir, because you don't want my seasoning to stick.
Yes, sir, because I'm a fella. Beef.
But that hurries.
So I'm trying to mix in my seasoning with the beef, so it's evenly mixed. Also try not to get it stuck to the bottom of the pot.
Yes? No?
Alright, try not to make it too thin. I try my secret because we're not going to follow me.
Oh my God, brother, what's that going to share, boy? Oh, you want to put the turn it so? And then, oh, yeah, I'm going to turn it so. Guys, hey, I'm going to follow shelter.
3.
Alright, so this is mine, guys. Yeah, I know it don't look nothing looking like that, but yeah, I my own.
Alright guys, so this is how the patty came out. So as you see, this one's mine, that one's mine, that's Ben. Ben right there, Ben right there again, and then those two mine. Alright, so we're gonna do the taste test now and let you guys see.
Shelton patty 8 out of 10. Ben 5 out of 10. Right? Our patty was dry. Alright, so Shelton is the winner.
So Shelton patty never dry.